Welcome to Vatsa Market Foundation. I am Bighnesh. You are watching this because you are looking for the answer. You are here about the trading. You see the green number and the big profit on your screen. People tell about that they are making years of the salary in just a minute, but that's not real. Bro, you are smart. You know something does not feel like that. If it was like that easy that everyone can make the same amount of money, but today's no one can make such a amount of money. If it was too much easy, then everyone will be rich, everyone will drive a luxury car, but they do not. I will not sell you dream today. I will give you the fact. We will now going to answer a big question. Is trading a skill or a gambling? For a people in suit, the answer is in your brain and you know the market work. Part first is the 90-90-90 rule. Let's now start about the fact that everyone professional know. It is also called the 90-90-90 rule. It is also the 90% of the traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. Think about that for a second. Most of the fail completely in just 3 months. This is not my opinion. This is the data from the broker. Why this happen? It's happen because the people come here for gambling. In a casino, you know that the house has a edge. In trading, the market does not care if you win or lose, but you still bring a gambling mind. You enter a trade because you feel lucky. You lose because you are emotionally instead of the data. Part 2, the zero sum game. Here, the most people hide the truth from you. Trading is a zero sum game. This means if you are making a dollar, someone else loses the dollar. Money is not created here, it is just moving from one person to another. Ask yourself this: when you click to buy, who is selling to you? It is usually not a normal person, it is a big bank, it is a hedge fund, it is a computer that you cost millions of the dollars. These person have teams of experts, they have the satellite and the very fast data. This is your competition. You cannot beat them with a gut feeling. Trading is skill of following by the big layer. Part third, the Skinner box. Let's talk about the brain. Let's talk about your brain. This was a famous experiment with a rat in the box. If the lever gave them food every time, they just only press the box when they feel hunger. But if the food came randomly, the rats become crazy. They press the lever until they collapse. Trading is same. Something you like to do. Sometimes you do something wrong and you still make money. This is the worst kind of luck. Your brain thinks that you are a genius, so you do it again. Then the market takes everything back. Professional does not care about the one trade. A pro care about a process. I am happy if I am follow the rule, even I am losing money. I am hunger if I make money being lucky. Part 4, the house edge. How do professionals actually make money? They become their casino. Usually, they use their statistics. Imagine a pattern. If I take the trade 10 times, I might lose 4 of them. A gambler who quit because they hate losing. But I know the math will work if I will keep it going on. This need patience. The market moves money from their impatience to patience. I sit here for hours and I do nothing. I am like to sniper wait for a target. If there is no target, I do not shoot. Part 5, the truth about the freedom. Why do we do this? You want freedom, you want to help your family. That's a good goal, but freedom costs discipline. Most of the people think that the trading means you have no boss. That's a lie. The market is your boss. It is the strict boss in the world. If you does not care about what the strict have bills to pay, it punish every mistake. To win here, you must change who are you. You must kill your ego. You must be calm and cold when you are look to the chart. This is a journey to master yourself. Now come back to conclusion. So this is the Vatsa Market Foundation. I am Bighnesh Vatsa. I will not give you a signal. I will teach you how to fish. I will teach you how to survive. Today we will reality check. In the next video we will look about the chart. But for now remember the 90-90-90 rule. Don't be like others. Be serious about this. Thanks for your time and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.